Good morning, student. Student, today we will complete the story, The Adventures of Gulliver. So, open your book at page number 21. Let's read with me. One day, one little man came to Gulliver. He was very sad. He told Gulliver that there was going to be a war because the people across the sea were going to attack them soon. Gulliver promised all help. He made 50 hooks from iron bars and fastened each such hook to a piece of string. He then swam across the water and reached the enemy island. He fastened one hook to each enemy ship and thus brought back some of the ships to his friends. He was happy to inform them that the enemies could no more attack them in their ships. The king was highly pleased with Gulliver. He admired the heroic deed of the brave man and further asked him to go and bring some more enemy ships, which Gulliver refused because he did not like war. This infuriated some of the little people. They decided to kill Gulliver. Gulliver became sad. He decided to leave the island soon and go back to his country. Luckily, he could manage to reach England safely in a big ship. Dear readers, this is not a true story, although it seems true. So, student, read the story. In this part, the story tells us that one day a little man came to him and said that a war was going on there. On hearing this, Gulliver promised the tiny man to help them in the war. He made some hooks of iron and fastened the hooks with ropes. Then he went to the enemy ships and fastened the ships with those hooks. When he came back with the ships of enemy, everyone became happy. They won the war because Gulliver took the good ships of the enemy. The king was happy. Then the king became greedy and demanded the other enemy ships. But Gulliver did not agree with the king because he hated war. So some of the little men planned to kill him. Gulliver found a chance to escape from the island. Soon he succeeded to reach England safely in a big ship. So this is not a true story. It is all imaginary. So read this story. It is the story of the adventures of Gulliver. Okay. So students, come to the next page. Today we will have to do this question. Fill in the blanks, use these words. So you have to fill in the blanks with this word. Dash did something forgettable. Who did something forgettable? Gulliver. So write here Gulliver. Gulliver's long hair was pinned to the dash. Pinned to the ground. So write here ground. The dash people ran away but come back dash. The little people ran away but come back soon. So write here little and write here soon. The king was dash pleased with Gulliver. The king was highly pleased with Gulliver. So write here highly. Gulliver dashed England safely. Gulliver reached England safely. So write here reached. So student, this is your homework for today. Hope today's topic is clear to you. If you have any problem, you can call me and do this homework in your book. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.